I'm Attorney Ahmed Yazan from the American Dream Law Office, and the number to call me is 1-888-963-7326. Consultation line is open 24/7. Feel free to call us. I do consultations on Zoom, phone, in person in our Tampa office. So call me 24/7 to set up a strategy session. Today, what I want to talk to you about is a form of relief from removal in immigration court. That form of relief is called cancellation of removal. And literally, there are three types of cancellation of removal: one for lawful permanent residents, one for non-lawful permanent residents, and one is for a person who was battered under the Violence Against Women Act cancellation or removal provision. So, as I said, permanent residents, non-permanent residents, and someone who's been battered can apply for relief from removal in the United States using cancellation of removal process. Now, if you're a permanent resident, the rule is you should have been here in the United States for more than 7 years. Yeah, you should have had your green card for a certain amount of time, and your removal will really cause you hardship to go back. So if you have a lot of family here in the United States, that would be used for the judge to determine whether you deserve staying here in the United States or not. The non-cancellation or removal prong for non-lawful permanent residents is a little more complicated, because for that you have to be here in the United States for 10 years, and you have to prove that your relatives, qualifying relatives who are spouses and children under 21, would experience immense hardship if you were removed back to your country. For VAWA cancellation of removal, you only have to prove that you've been battered and you've been a good person for 3 years, which is called with good moral character. Good moral character prong. So if you are a non-lawful permanent resident and a VAWA battered spouse, you have to prove that you've been a person of good moral character for a certain amount of time. For non-lawful permanent residents, it's 10 years. For Violence Against Women Act petitions, for cancellation or removal, is only 3 years. Either way, if you're under any of these three and you want to apply for cancellation or removal, it's absolutely critical that you hire an attorney to help you with this, because this is something that no one can do on their own. Call us again, 888-963-7326, and I'll be more than happy to help you apply for cancellation of removal and removal proceedings.